Scene script, ever found yourself grappling with the endless costs and complications of maintaining on-premises hardware? It's a common dilemma, and one that's not easily solved. Consider this. The world of technology is dynamic, ever-evolving. Every day, businesses across the globe are faced with the task of keeping up with this rapid pace of change. Not an easy feat, especially when dealing with on-premises hardware. The constant need for updates, repairs, and replacements can leave any business owner feeling overwhelmed and stretched thin. Now imagine a world where these challenges are a thing of the past. A world where the stress of hardware maintenance and its associated costs simply disappear. Sounds too good to be true? Enter cloud services. So, what exactly are these cloud services? Think of them as your virtual toolbox, a place where all your data, applications, and systems are stored securely, accessible from anywhere at any time. This virtual environment eliminates the need for physical hardware, offering a more flexible and scalable solution to meet your business needs. Let's delve into the numbers. On-premises hardware is a significant investment, with upfront costs often running into the tens of thousands. Add ongoing maintenance, energy usage, and eventual replacement costs, and the total can be staggering. Contrast this with cloud services. With a pay-as-you-go model, you can scale your costs to match your usage. No more paying for resources you don't use, no more replacing outdated hardware. This cost-effectiveness, combined with the ease of access and flexibility, makes cloud services a compelling proposition. But it's not just about cost. Cloud services also offer enhanced security, with top-tier providers employing advanced encryption methods to keep your data safe. Coupled with automatic updates and backups, you can rest easy knowing your data is secure and up to date. So instead of wrestling with on-premises hardware, why not consider a switch to the cloud? It's time to step into the future of business technology. Embrace the potential of cloud services and let them transform the way you do business. After all, why hold on to the past when the future is so much brighter?